No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still?
Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy, Mack. Today, y'all, I'm doing a collaboration with my girl, Mesha, from Mesha's Corner. And we're doing a couple of sandwiches on this here collaboration. Now, let me tell y'all exactly what I got going on right now. And I want y'all to check out Mesha's Corner to see what she's fixing over there at her channel. So I'm gonna do a fish po' boy, and I'm using whiting right now for the fish. But let me go ahead and get into these ingredients. Don't y'all go nowhere, because you don't want to miss this. So right now I'm using some of this here Moss's seafood breading mix. Alright, so this is like a local brand of seafood batter from North Carolina. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and bust this open for you right quick. I'm gonna put a little bit of this down here in this pan. Y'all, it's gonna snow tomorrow. They talking about we getting 4 inches of snow. So I said I better hurry up and make this collaboration. So I got the seafood mix down here. Move this to the side. And I'm gonna add some of this here cornstarch. This is pretty much going to make my crust crispy on that skin, because I'm frying this. I got my deep fry going right now, and I'm going to try my best to give y'all guys some measurements in the description box below. So I'm mixing this here batter up with the cornstarch. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some of this here Old Bay seasoning. And let me slide this over for a little bit. Got my Old Bay seasoning. And these are a couple fillets that I have. I'm just going to put some Old Bay on here. I'm not going to put no salt or no pepper on this, because that breading mix already has some seasoning in it, and that's some good stuff, y'all. I'm telling you. Got 3 nice sized fillets, and I'm making a fish po' boy sandwich. Alright, get my bread back up here. So I'm going to take these, place them in that. Give them a nice little coat. This is an easy recipe. Easy. And I'm going to make some remoulade sauce to go with this. Got these coated up well. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and go to the fryer. So let's go ahead and go to the fryer right now. Alright. Just putting these fillets on right now, y'all. This is going to be some good eats. Real good eats. So I'm just going to set this to the side right here. Yes, sir, we got this one fried up. Look at this, y'all. Fish looking good. Putting this on this pan with some aluminum foil. Paper bag at the bottom. Got a few more pieces I'm gonna add to this here. All right, y'all, I'm gonna speed this up while we have some daytime. It's about to get dark right now. So right now I'm gonna make this remoulade sauce. So I'm still using Miracle Whip. Like I said, you guys can use Dukes or Hellmann's. And I think this is still a pretty good recipe using Miracle Whip. Alright, so I'm gonna give you some measurements, man, but with me I just eyeball. I don't never use the measurements, so I'm gonna try my best to help y'all guys out. So I got my Miracle Whip in the bowl. So I'm gonna use some, I'm gonna put some mustard in here also. And then after that mustard, I'm going to add some Creole seasoning. And then with that, so we got some, let me put some of this here, sriracha up in here. A little bit of sriracha. And we have some Worcestershire sauce. A little dab of that. Then we're going to put a little bit of this here garlic. I got minced garlic, just a little bit. Think that'll work. See, I don't use no measurements. Some celery seed. Sprinkle on a little tab of that celery seed. And pop it open real quick. This is smelling good, y'all. Got some celery seed on that. Then we're going to use some paprika. Alright, the last two things is going to be some salt and pepper to taste. And we cannot forget the parsley. Get some cracked black on them. And we can't forget the parsley. So I'm just going to take some parsley sprigs and basically just tad on up in there, y'all. We ain't trying to get pretty. There we go. That's it. She ready. I know she ready. I done made this plenty of time. I know she ready. Alright, so let's go ahead and build this sandwich up. We're going to go ahead and put this sandwich together. I done toasted these buns on the grill. So I'm going to put some of this remoulade sauce on this here top bun. And I'm going to slide just a little bit on that bottom bun too. Get a little bit on that bottom bun. Alright. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dress this on up with some lettuce. And I'm going to cut these in half right quick. Deck them on up with a little bit of these tomatoes. Yes. Get some tomatoes on there. And I'm going to do the same thing with these right here too. Got a few more sandwiches I'm going to fix up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these fish fillets right there. Yes, indeed. And then on this sandwich, I'm going to put a fish fillet here. And on this sandwich, I'm going to put a shrimp po' boy together. We doing the shrimp po' boy. Get on there. Look pretty for the camera. Look pretty. Look pretty for the camera. Alright, so we're going to cap these up. Shrimp don't want to stay on. So, this one is mine. This one is mine. And this one is my wife's. So there we go. Fish po' boy and additional shrimp po' boy. I want you guys to check out Mesha's Corner and go to her channel. See what she cooking up. This is your boy Ray Mack. I want to thank you guys for checking out this here. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe. And this is an easy recipe for y'all to do. Seriously. Alright? So peace out for now, and I'll see you later. Love and not hate. On Sundays, we will be trying something new. It is called Subscriber Shout Out Sunday. So if you have a YouTube channel and you would like to have a shout out for your channel, all you have to do is go to the Show More section and fill out the subscriber form, and you will get a shout out from Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Now, this is another thing I like for you guys to do. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture, and you could also check out this video while you're here. So thank you, love and not hate. Peace, love you all. Before I go, love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.